Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about KTC H27P3 a 5K dual mode monitor. So friends, the KTC has introduced a dual mode monitor has been officially introduced at around $565. So friends, the monitor features a 27-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 5120 into 2880 pixel, offering dual mode functionality, and user can choose between 5K resolution at 60 Hz, 2K resolution at 120 Hz, depending on their specific use case or performance preference. For color accuracy and visual quality, the monitor supports HDR 400 certification, providing improved dynamic range for clear and more vivid reproduction, and its static quality ratio is rated at 2000 Gem1, further enhancing clarity and detail indexing. And additionally, the display boasts comprehensive color space coverage, including 99% DCI-P3, 99% Adobe RGB, and 100% sRGB, with exceptional color accuracy rating of delta is less than 1. This ensures precise color representation suitable for creative professionals involved in graphics, photography, and video editing. And connectivity port including 65-watt Type-C port capable of reverse charging device, adding practically for user needing to power peripherals and laptop directly from the monitor. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.